Have you ever wondered about the power and majesty of the black rhinoceros? This intriguing creature is a marvel of the natural world, known by its scientific name, Diceros bicornis. The black rhinoceros is a striking figure, immediately distinguishable by its two large horns, a signature feature that sets it apart in the animal kingdom. Now, let's talk size. The black rhinoceros is a giant, with adults averaging a length of 3 to 3.5 meters and a height of 1.5 to almost 2 meters at the shoulder. This makes them one of the largest rhinoceros species on the planet, and with a weight that can reach up to 1.5 tons, they are certainly not a creature to be taken lightly. Notice their thick, protective skin, adapted to the harsh environments they inhabit, and their distinctive hooked lip, perfect for browsing on leaves and branches. Now that we've introduced this magnificent creature, let's dive into its natural habitat. The black rhinoceros calls the vast landscapes of Africa its home. This majestic creature can be found scattered across the southern and eastern parts of the African continent. From the arid deserts of Namibia to the lush grassy plains of Kenya and Tanzania, the black rhinoceros has made its mark. Now let's dive a little deeper into these landscapes. The black rhinoceros has a particular fondness for areas with thick cover of woody plants, shrubs and trees. This dense vegetation not only provides the rhino with a rich source of food, but it also offers shelter from the harsh African sun and potential threats. In the grasslands, the black rhinoceros enjoys a diet rich in leafy plants and shrubs. It uses its pointed prehensile upper lip to grasp and pull leaves and shoots into its mouth. This lip is a distinct adaptation that sets it apart from its cousin, the white rhinoceros, which has a broad lip designed for grazing on grass. The black rhinoceros is not one to shy away from a change in scenery. This species has shown remarkable adaptability, surviving and even thriving in diverse environments. Whether in the scorching heat of the desert, where it digs for water with its formidable horn, or in the highlands where it navigates rocky terrain with surprising agility, the black rhinoceros stands as a testament to resilience and adaptation. However, it's important to note that the distribution of the black rhinoceros is not as widespread as it once was. Over the years, hunting and habitat loss have caused a significant decline in their population, confining them to scattered pockets across their former range. Yet despite these challenges, the black rhinoceros continues to persist, holding on to its place in the diverse tapestry of African wildlife. This adaptable species has made a home in various African landscapes, but how does it interact within its society? The black rhinoceros, a solitary yet social creature. Despite their rugged exterior and immense size, these animals are not the loners they are often portrayed as. While they do spend most of their time alone, they have been observed to engage in social interactions, particularly during mating season and mothers with their calves. The social behaviour of a black rhinoceros is quite intriguing. They are known to be territorial, especially the males, marking their areas with piles of dung. But don't mistake this for antisocial behaviour. These territorial markings are a way of communication, a language of scents and signs that convey vital information to other rhinos. Now onto the life cycle of this majestic creature. After a gestation period of about 15 months, a single calf is born. The bond between a rhino mother and her calf is strong and enduring. The calf stays with its mother for up to 3 years, learning the ropes of rhino life, from finding water to avoiding predators. As the young rhino grows, it begins to venture out on its own, exploring its surroundings and learning to fend for itself. Around the age of 5, the young rhino is ready to establish its own territory. This is a crucial time, as it is now ready to take part in the mating ritual and contribute to the continuation of the species. The life of a black rhino is not an easy one. They must constantly be vigilant for threats from predators and rival rhinos. Their lifespan in the wild is estimated to be up to 35 years, a testament to their resilience and adaptability in the face of numerous challenges. Living a solitary life, the black rhinoceros still has to face predators and hunt for prey. But despite the hardships, they continue to endure, a symbol of strength and survival in the wilds of Africa. Surviving in the wild requires strength, strategy, and some unique adaptations. The black rhinoceros, a formidable creature of the African plains, embodies these survival principles. This magnificent beast is predominantly a herbivore, feasting mainly on leafy plants, branches, shoots, thorny wood bushes, and fruit. Its prehensile upper lip, much like an elephant's trunk, aids in grasping and pulling leaves and branches into its mouth. When it comes to predators, adult black rhinoceroses have few to worry about due to their size, thick skin and deadly horns. However, young rhinos are not so fortunate. They often fall prey to big cats, crocodiles and wild dogs. To protect their young, adult rhinos will charge at a threat with incredible speed, their sharp horns poised to strike. The strength and ferocity of a mother rhino protecting her calf is a sight both terrifying and awe-inspiring. The black rhino's unique adaptations are a testament to nature's ingenuity. Its thick, protective skin acts as a shield against attacks, while the two prominent horns made of keratin serve as formidable weapons. Despite its bulk and relatively short legs, the black rhino can charge at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, surprising any threat that underestimates its agility. Another fascinating adaptation is the black rhino's acute sense of hearing and smell, compensating for its poor eyesight. It can detect the slightest sounds or sense of potential threats or food sources, making it a master of its environment. Yet, the black rhino's environment is changing, and not for the better. The loss of habitat and poaching are threats this species cannot outrun or fend off with its horn. The black rhino's strength and adaptations that have served it so well in the wild are powerless against these man-made challenges. Despite its strength and adaptations, the black rhinoceros faces significant threats. The survival of this extraordinary species hangs in the balance, a poignant reminder of the intricate web of life and our role in preserving it. The black rhinoceros, a symbol of power yet vulnerable. This magnificent beast faces two main threats today: poaching and habitat loss. Poaching is driven by a relentless demand for rhino horn, which is prized in some cultures for its supposed medicinal properties and as a status symbol. Tragically, the value of a rhino horn on the black market can be more than its weight in gold, driving ruthless poachers to decimate the black rhino populations. Habitat loss is the other major threat. As human populations expand, so does the demand for land. Forests are cleared, grasslands are converted to farms, and rhino habitats are shrinking. This not only leaves black rhinos without a place to call home, but also makes them easier targets for poachers. Now, let's talk about the conservation status. The black rhinoceros is classified as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This means that it faces an extremely high risk of extinction in the wild. But it's not all doom and gloom. Efforts are underway to protect this iconic species. Anti-poaching units, strict legislation, and harsh penalties for poaching are part of the strategy. Conservationists are also working to protect and expand rhino habitats and to educate communities about the importance of wildlife conservation. Captive breeding programs and translocation of rhinos to safer areas are other measures being implemented. One such success story is the population of black rhinos in Namibia, which has increased thanks to rigorous conservation efforts. The Black Rhino Range Expansion Project is another beacon of hope, working to increase the range and population of this species. Despite the challenges, there's reason for cautious optimism. The global population of black rhinos has more than doubled from its historic low of 2,500 in the early 1990s to over 5,600 today. While humans pose the greatest threat to the black rhinoceros, they also hold the key to its survival. Humans and the black rhinoceros, a complex relationship. Our relationship with the black rhinoceros has been a paradox of admiration and exploitation. From the early days, these majestic creatures have been a source of fascination, their impressive size and strength inspiring awe and respect. Yet it's this very fascination that has led to their downfall. Throughout history, the black rhinoceros has been hunted, prized for its distinctive horns. Poaching has been a significant threat, driven by a demand for rhino horn products, especially in parts of Asia where they are used in traditional medicines and as status symbols. The irony is that while humans have been the primary cause of the rhino's decline, we are also their greatest hope for survival. In the face of this crisis, conservation efforts have emerged, with humans switching their role from hunters to protectors. These efforts are multi-pronged, involving anti-poaching measures, habitat protection, and community education. The goal is to shift our relationship with these creatures from one of exploitation to coexistence. Scientific research has played a key role in these conservation efforts. Researchers are studying everything from the black rhinoceros's behavior and ecology to its genetics and disease resistance. One exciting area of research involves reproductive technologies. Scientists are exploring methods like in vitro fertilization and stem cell technology to help boost the rhino population. Research isn't just about protecting the black rhinoceros, though, it's also about understanding it. Through their studies, scientists are uncovering fascinating insights about these creatures, enriching our knowledge of the natural world. Every discovery brings us one step closer to ensuring their survival. Our relationship with the black rhinoceros is evolving, shaped by both our past mistakes and our current efforts to rectify them. It's a reminder of the power we hold, the damage we can cause, but also the good we can do. Through understanding and research, humans can help secure a future for the black rhinoceros. The future of the black rhinoceros, a story yet to be written. As we gaze into the horizon of what's yet to come for the black rhinoceros, we find ourselves with an array of possibilities. In the realm of conservation strategies, there's a lot to be hopeful about. The world is waking up, and the plight of these majestic creatures is not going unnoticed. Many organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to ensure that the black rhinoceros has a fighting chance against extinction. Their efforts range from habitat restoration to stricter enforcement of laws against poaching. There's even talk of introducing more black rhinoceroses into well-protected areas to boost their population. In the scientific community, advancements are being made that could play a crucial role in the survival of the species. For instance, researchers are studying the genetic makeup of the black rhinoceros to better understand its unique needs and challenges. This knowledge could help us develop more effective conservation strategies. Moreover, technological advancements are proving to be valuable tools in our fight for the black rhinoceros. Drones and other surveillance technologies are being used to monitor their habitats and deter poachers. And in a truly futuristic twist, scientists are exploring the potential of in vitro fertilization and even cloning to help increase their numbers. But these future developments are not guaranteed. They require our support, our commitment, and our collective will. They require us to recognize the intrinsic value of the black rhinoceros, not just as a species, but as an integral part of our planet's rich biodiversity. So, as we envision a future for the black rhinoceros, let us remember that we are not mere spectators in this story. We are active participants with the power to influence its outcome. Each one of us can contribute to their conservation in our own way, be it through donations, raising awareness, or advocating for stronger wildlife protection laws. Together, we can write a hopeful future for the black rhinoceros. From its powerful presence to its vulnerable status, the black rhinoceros captivates us. It's been a remarkable journey, exploring the world of this majestic creature, unearthing the nuances of its life, its challenges, and its hopes. We started our journey by introducing the black rhinoceros, a species that demands respect and admiration. Its habitat spans across the diverse landscapes of eastern and southern Africa, where it roams free, shaping its environment as it goes. Socially, black rhinos are solitary creatures, with a life cycle that is a testament to their resilience. They face natural challenges from predators, but their thick skin and robust body serve as their shield, their adaptations ensuring survival. But the most significant threats come not from the wild, but from us, humans. Poaching and habitat loss have pushed the black rhinoceros to the brink of extinction. Yet amidst these adversities, the species persists, its conservation status a beacon of hope in a world that often overlooks the value of biodiversity. Human interaction, though detrimental in many ways, also offers a glimmer of hope. Scientific research has played a pivotal role in understanding and protecting these creatures, illuminating the path towards their survival. And this brings us to the future developments. The road to recovery is long, but with concerted effort and dedication, we can rewrite the future of the black rhinoceros. Conservation efforts are intensifying, and new research is emerging, promising a hopeful future for this impressive species. It's a story of resilience and survival, of a creature that has endured against the odds. It's a story that reminds us of our responsibility towards the natural world, a reminder that we hold the power to make a difference. Thank you for joining us on this journey with the black rhinoceros. Remember, the future of this majestic creature is in our hands. We hope this journey into the world of the black rhinoceros has fascinated and moved you as much as it did us. These magnificent creatures are a testament to the enduring spirit of nature and serve as a stark reminder of our responsibilities as stewards of our planet. But our journey doesn't end here. We invite you to continue exploring the wonders of the natural world with us. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us produce more content like this, shedding light on the wonders of our world and the challenges it faces. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have many more stories to tell about the incredible beings that share our planet and the remarkable ways in which they adapt, survive, and thrive. Every subscription, every like, every share makes a difference. It allows us to continue our work, spreading awareness and fostering a love for the natural world. So let's keep the conversation going. Comment below with your thoughts on the black rhinoceros, or let us know what species you'd like us to cover next. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to exploring more with you. Until next time, remember, the future of our planet's biodiversity is in our hands. Please subscribe. More videos are soon to come.